Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix LastPass login problems, Vault and MFA errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing issues logging into LastPass, you're not alone. Let's walk through some common solutions for Vault and MFA errors. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. Open your browser and check if other websites load without any issues. If your connection is fine, head to the LastPass login page. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and master password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, ensure you have access to your MFA device. If the code is not being accepted, try refreshing the MFA app or requesting a new code. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find the privacy section, and clear your browsing data. Once cleared, try logging into LastPass again. If you are still facing issues, check for any browser updates. Keeping your browser up to date can resolve compatibility problems. Next, disable any browser extensions that might interfere with LastPass. Extensions can sometimes block necessary scripts from running. After disabling extensions, attempt to log in once more. If you are using a VPN, consider disabling it temporarily. Sometimes VPNs can cause connection issues with services like LastPass. For mobile users, ensure that the LastPass app is updated to the latest version. Open your App Store and check for updates for LastPass. If login problems persist, try resetting your master password. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to create a new password. If none of these solutions work, visit the LastPass support page for further assistance. Explain your issue in detail for more tailored help. By following these steps, you can resolve most LastPass login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.